When does a friend become an enemy? In real life, relationships can change unexpectedly. But in Lal Kitab, there can be a specific planetary reason behind such transformation. A planet that normally gives support can, under certain conditions, start producing completely different results. But here is the important question: what exactly makes a friendly planet turn hostile? Is it simply its position in the horoscope? Is it the influence of another planet? Or is there a deeper Lal Kitab principle that determines when friendship turns into enmity? In this video, we are going to decode this hidden secret of Lal Kitab and understand why a planet can change its behavior from a friend to an enemy. Also, I will explain this with clear examples from the horoscope so that you can understand how to identify this transformation in practice. So, watch till the end to understand the planetary friendship and enmity in Lal Kitab in a completely different way. Let's decode the secret. Welcome to my channel Lal Kitab Insights. When two friendly planets are in conjunction, that is, when two friendly planets are sitting in the same house, and if the enemies of either planet are placed in the roots of either planet, then these planets show enmity with each other. Even though they are friends, they behave as enemies. For example, Jupiter Mars are friendly planets. Jupiter Mars are sitting together in one house, say third house. Jupiter's roots are 9, 12. Mars roots are 1, 8. Enemies of Jupiter are Venus, Mercury. Enemies of Mars are Mercury, Ketu. If any of these enemy planets, Venus, Mercury, Ketu, are placed in the roots of either Jupiter or Mars, then they become enemies. That is, if Venus or Mercury or Ketu are placed in 1, 8, 9, 12 houses, then Jupiter Mars are no more friends. They show enmity towards each other and they damage each other's significations. When friendly planets are in exchange. When two planets are sitting in each other's Pakka house, then they are said to be in exchange. They are called Ghar. When two friendly planets are sitting in each other's Pakka house, and if enemies of either planet are in the roots of either planet, then these planets show enmity towards each other. They are no more friends. Example: second house is Jupiter's Pakka house. Third house is Mars' Pakka house. If Jupiter is in third house and Mars is in second house, then Jupiter Mars are in exchange because they are sitting in each other's Pakka house. Jupiter's roots are 9, 12. Mars roots are 1, 8. Jupiter's enemies are Venus, Mercury, and Mars enemies are Mercury, Ketu. If any of these enemy planets, Venus, Mercury, Ketu, are in 1, 8, 9, 12 houses, then Jupiter Mars, even though they are friends, now show enmity towards each other and damage each other's significations. They also damage the houses in which they are placed. When planets are in aspect. Here in this case we have 4 following scenarios. Scenario A. When enemies of aspected planet are placed in the roots of aspecting planet. Let us understand with one example. Suppose Jupiter is placed in 4th house and Mars is placed in 10th house. Then Jupiter aspects Mars and Jupiter's roots are 9, 12 and Mars enemies are Mercury, Ketu. Suppose if Ketu is placed in Jupiter's root, that is 9 or 12, Ketu is enemy of Mars. Therefore, Jupiter shows enmity with the Mars and Jupiter harms Mars. Jupiter completely destroys Mars. Instead of helping Mars, it destroys Mars. The brother of the person may suffer from all kinds of problems. Scenario B. When enemies of aspecting planet are in the roots of aspecting planet. Let us understand with example. If Jupiter is in 4th house and Mars is in 10th house, then Jupiter aspects Mars. 9 and 12 are the roots of Jupiter. Venus is enemy of Jupiter. When Venus is placed in ninth house or 12th house, then Jupiter becomes Manda because in Jupiter's root, Jupiter's enemy is placed. In this case, when Jupiter aspects Mars, then Jupiter gives negative results to the Mars. The person's brother may suffer with Jupiter related diseases. That is, the brother of the person may have breathing problems or may suffer with obesity. Scenario C. If the enemies of aspected planet are placed in the roots of aspected planet. For example, if Jupiter is placed in 4th house, Mars is placed in 10th house, then Jupiter aspects Mars. Ketu is enemy of Mars. 1, 8 are the roots of Mars. When enemy of Mars, Ketu, is placed in its root 1 or 8 houses, then Mars becomes Manda. Then the person suffers with Ketu related diseases. In this case, Jupiter aspect on Mars is not favorable. Instead, it gives harm to the Mars. Scenario 4. When enemies of aspecting planet are placed in the roots of aspected planet, that is, if Jupiter is placed in 4th house, Mars is placed in 10th house, and 1 and 8 houses are the roots of Mars. Venus is enemy of Jupiter. When Venus is placed in 1st house or 8th house, then Jupiter damages Mars. Instead of helping, it harms Mars. The following table shows Pakka ghar and roots of the planets. Jupiter's Pakka ghar are 2, 5, 9, 11 houses, whereas its roots are 9, 12 houses. Sun's Pakka ghar is 1st house and its root is 5th house. Moon's Pakka ghar and as well as root both are 4. For Venus, Pakka ghar 7th and roots are 2, 7. For Mars, 3, 8 are Pakka ghar, 1, 8 are roots. For Mercury, 7 is Pakka ghar and 3, 6 are its roots. For Saturn, 8, 10 are Pakka ghar and 10, 11 are its roots. Rahu's Pakka ghar is 12 and Ketu's Pakka ghar is 6. Rahu Ketu do not own any signs. Therefore, they do not have any roots. For horoscope reading at nominal fees, mail your birth details to lalkitabinsights@gmail.com.